everybody and welcome back. I am super excited to share with you my new kit for October. It is called Autumn Days. I have finally relented. So after releasing the final Days of Summer kit last month, I was really hoping that I could grasp onto a little bit of summer, and it kind of worked because the beginning of September was really nice in the UK. So the sunshine did come out for a little while, but I have relented. I've accepted. Autumn is now here, so I have put together this autumnal kit. It's got lovely shades of kind of browns and oranges and lots of autumn colours, and this was such a pleasure to put together. It's a little bit different to what I've done before. It's not particularly vintage. The images are quite watercolour, so they're not necessarily crisp images, but it's been such fun. And I'm really looking forward to creating a journal using this kind of colour palette. So this is the kit. As I say, it's called Autumn Days. It has got 21 pages, so a bit more than what I normally do. Normally I do around sort of 16 pages for a kit, but I just could not stop going with this one. So let me take you on a little tour and show you the pages. So this is just the promotional page, and as I said, it's got 21 pages. This is my first page, so there's lots of journaling space in this one. I've got these lovely houses, and you can see all of that kind of the bushes and trees and that are starting to brown already. And then we've got our acorns up at the top. And then the second page, we've got a mug and a cinnamon bun, and then all of these kind of fall leaves as a border at the top and the bottom. And then we've got some muddy boots and an umbrella at the bottom. And the next one, we've got a couple cozying underneath a blanket, sitting on a log. We've got this cute little doggy amongst some different pumpkins and squashes. And then we've got the autumn leaves and then some autumn scarves as a kind of banner along the top. But again, lots of writing space. And on this page, we've got a lovely seated bench with the arched lamp. We've also got a little fox curled up in front of a crate with some mushrooms, and again, those autumnal leaves as a border on each side. And then we've got this page with, again, a banner along the top. We've got some logs and some foliage at the top as well. Again, we've got the acorns and the coconuts, and then some autumnal flowers here as well, and plants. And as well as doing them in landscape, as you may remember from a couple of months ago, I'm quite enjoying having a tall journal as well. So I've recreated the pages so that they make a tall journal. So you'll see the same kind of images. Obviously they've been rearranged and resized, so it makes sense for this direction, the portrait direction, but you've got the same kind of elements. So again, we've got the banner at the top, and I know it's probably quite faint to see on camera, but these are lined papers, so you've got faint lines, and there is also a faint pattern of mushrooms in the background as well. And then, as I say, the images are the same. So again, we've got that cute little dog, we've got the couple sitting on the log, cozied under a blanket as it's starting to get cooler, and then you've got the banner along the top, and again we've got that cute little fox at the bottom, the bench and the lamp. But I thought this would be a lovely journaling space to be able to journal around these images, and I just love the colours of the leaves as well. And as I said, because it's kind of a watercolour look, the images aren't crisp, but yeah, I just think that makes it look so pretty. And then again, we've got this one with the wellies at the bottom, and then you've got the mug and the cinnamon swirl bun at the top. And again with the houses at the bottom. So I did make the houses a little bit bigger, and I only have one set of houses here. But again, you've got the acorns and flowers at the top as well. And to accompany them, I have a couple of background pages. So I've got this leaves, which has a kind of again, watercolour effect. So you've got the different sort of colour tones throughout. So we've got some reds, some browns and oranges in there. We've then got this kind of collage page, so a bit brighter than the previous one, but I really, really like this one. I love the colours. And then we have our ephemera pages. So here are the pockets. So again, I've taken elements from the kit. So we've got the crates, we've got the blanket, we've got the houses, and then a kind of shrunk down version of that collage page. We then have a mini envelope, and then we have some different cutter parts. So you've got a small journaling cards there. This house, I thought if you cut out, that could also be a journaling card or a fun shaped tag. You've got some tickets, and again the pumpkins there. We've then got that in a larger version. So again, this could make a fun journaling card. And we've got some different words, so I thought these would be cute to cut out because they're all sort of different shapes and things, so depending whether you want leaves or the traditional kind of labels. But then I've got those crates as well, and yeah, lots of different sort of names and things on there. I've then got a larger version of that envelope that we've just seen. So again, we've kind of got that crate in the middle and then the blanket. And it's kind of got a scalloped edge, which I really quite liked. Then we have some tags, and I decided to go with a slightly different shape this time, so they are rounded at the top, but I thought that they looked really, really nice. And I've done all different sizes as well, so you can layer them up or just have different sizes if you want different sized pockets and tucks and things. Then we have larger tags, and again I've kept them close together in case you want to make a trifold, but you certainly don't have to. They could be cut up as separate tags. I've then got a couple of medium-sized tags. I've also got a banner and then, two banners, and then I've got some different tabs. And then lastly, I used this template in the freebies for the last kit, and I really, really liked this one. So I've done the same again, but this time used obviously the autumn leaves. And that is the final page. So lots and lots to work with this kit. As I said, I am super excited. This is a slightly different style than what I usually do. I normally do kind of more sort of vintagey things, but I really loved the colour tones. I really loved the watercolour look of this, so I've thoroughly enjoyed putting this together, and I cannot wait to get started. I do have a design team. I'll pop those names up on the screen right now. It is a relatively small design team, but I have worked with each of these ladies before. They are absolutely fantastic. I will have all of their links down below, so make sure you go and check them out and you can see what it is that they're creating with this kit. Also, just to add to the fun, Natalie from Line.Arrow has kindly allowed me to kind of take over her group a little bit this month, and I'm allowed to create events just like we do when I do the collaborations with Natalie. So each week there will be a new challenge, so there'll be 3 in total. And there will of course be freebies to go with those challenges. You can find those freebies in the Line.Arrow Facebook group or in my Kofi shop. Now, they won't be available as of today when this video goes live, but keep an eye out because there will be a video coming tomorrow where I share with you the first challenge and the first set of freebies that you can get hold of. Just like we have done previously, there will also be a winner's drawing. So if you take part in the challenges, whether you use the freebies or the kit, it doesn't matter, or a combination of the two. If you take part in the challenges and you post in the Line.Arrow Facebook group the makes that you have created using the hashtag autumn days, then you will gain an entry into the prize draw. Each post, so not each picture, but each post is a new entry. If you only take part in one of the challenges, then your name only gets entered once. If you take part in 3 challenges, then obviously you've got 3 entries. if you decide to make something further with the kit or the freebies, that is also an entry. So it doesn't just have to be the challenges. It would be absolutely incredible to see what it is that you are making. So whether you are posting on Facebook or on Instagram, if you can please tag me in so that I can see what you have made. I am the same on both platforms, so it's at Nonstop Papercrafts. And of course, as I said, use that hashtag autumn days. I really hope that you love this kit. The Etsy link will be down below if you want to head over and purchase. There will be a discount as always for the first month that it's available. So throughout the whole of October, it will be on discount. I really hope that you have fun creating with this, and I will see you all tomorrow when I announce the first challenge and share with you the first set of freebies. Thank you very much, everybody. That's it from me. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.